Okay. I think we're live. Hey, 42. Welcome back on the other side. Alright, so it's been a little while now, and probably forgot how to do all the things. So let's go about zooming in a little. Maybe that's too much. Trying to find a sweet spot for the microphone. And this editor also has changed a little. Now they have all rounded corners all over the places. Yeah, not a big fan of it, but I guess I'll get used to it. Let's see. Yeah, something is off with my setup today. Well, anyway. How are things going for these two? It's been a little while. I have to take some time off just to refresh my interest in the project. Yeah, I also had to kind of give up with the LOD system. It was a bit too complicated for the state where the project is right now. So I might just move forward all the other things. So I started working on the interaction. So you now have the ability to use your hands to point on points to objects. Let's see if I can actually start it in here. Let me do a quick check for updates. We have a platform SDK update. Oh, render doc update. Okay. Let's do that too. Wait, what? Did it fail? Render doc. Okay, what's going on? Platform SDK, did this succeed? I guess this was okay, but it failed on RenderDoc. Maybe I have to restart it. So after the last few updates, they really messed this up. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna do it manually. Release notes, maybe? Yeah, let's just do it manually at this point. And the last thing that I also wanted is wait. I kind of lost what I was doing. Oh yeah, the simulator. I wonder if I can find it here. Oh yeah, Meta XR simulator. Wait, what? I downloaded from Unity. Download from Meta. NPM. What is this? So 81. I guess this is the latest version. Okay. Yeah, I can live with this. And so all I need to do is to enable it. And now it should be able to run in the simulator. Oh, wait. We don't have a server. So I will have to go in. Okay, we have a server. It should also connect right away. So I can point right with the right hand, which is slightly better. Okay, that's great. So the problem is that when another player connects, I don't see. I won't see the hands. I should probably also draw the capsule where the playing is lying. Okay, this is fine. How do I stop? All right, so we have the position and the rotation of the hands all we need to do is to sync those data into the player data. Oh, I like that they added a debug option for const expressions. So the first time I've seen this icon, I was like, what? Does it know there's a bug already? But no, it's just debugging options for const expressions that can be evaluated right in the editor. So on the client side, we want each client to send all of that data. I think it was in the right place before I started wandering around. So that's the player state. And the player state creates a player state message. Which right now is lacking hands data. I wonder if I could just create an array of these. But then the serializer is probably won't be able to do the right thing. So ideally, if I make 3 of these, that's gonna be the head and the hands. But also, I'm not sure the velocity for the hands make much sense. Because they also need to be relative to the position. Kind of makes things a bit more complicated. And so vec3 might be a bit too much. There will be need for a bit of compression later on. But yeah, I just want to try it this way first. So when I write an array, and the size of, it might even work. So read, maybe I need to say that it's gonna be so this, it doesn't like it. So substitution failed. Why? No, it's a single type. Let's see. Pretty sure we can solve this. Just not sure how. We got the vector. but not the array type. I wonder if something like this gonna work. No? What? Decomposition. What are you trying to do? It's just that type. Is this not valid? Template size never used. It's literally here. What? So you get a type name and then you're not able to return an array? Okay. That's weird. Let's see if I can get any useful hint. Okay, because pass an array type decays into a pointer. Oh, okay. Let's see what we got. The size. Oh, okay. So it wants to be an array. Read scalar, read array. Okay. Guess instead of doing row arrays like this, we're just gonna std array. Whoops, what is that? Just gonna make it into std arrays, and that should work, right? Let's see, maybe I can just explicitly say it here. And that's an array. Is it not defined? Vector. It is not. And now it is. So that's it. We got all the data that we need. It won't likely compile, but read member function already defined or declared. Oh yeah. Let me remove the experimental code. Oh yes, I shaved. And now we only have to update So we have the update, the player, but the player does not reflect the type. Instead, we have this stuff, which is not great. So I'm gonna reflect it here. Std array. That is 3. And I don't know, I'm just gonna leave it blank. Three quaternions enter a pub. They're probably used somewhere that I don't remember, but we'll find it out soonish. And yep. So that's the velocity. Okay, that makes sense. The position. I guess we can do this for each of them. For yeah, I'm gonna use player size. Now that's gonna be 3. Yeah, let's just do 3. Very magic number. I could go. That's fine. What? Wrong index. So this is gonna update all the positions. So for the hands and the head. What's next? That's the same. That's the same. That's the same. They are all the same. It's the same. Oh, I'm just gonna recompile it. Okay, this is different. And the same applies here. So player. It's pretty much the same couple of lines, so I can just copy and paste. Player position, velocity, yeah. I'm gonna double check because you never know. This is one of the worst copy paste bug introduction method. Just copy and paste without realizing it's not the same code. All right. We have some usage here. So we want the index 0 and rotation 0 for why am I doing this twice? So if it's this system, I don't think I need this because we opted for a headless server. So I feel like this can go. Don't need to draw anything on the server side. But we can still have a playing server. So that's good. This could still be needed, but not very useful. Player. Yeah, I could make it into a separate function because that's pretty much the same code. So this is gonna be 0, 0. And I hope that's gonna solve most of the changes. Okay, copying data. Pretty good. Is it gonna work? Oh yeah. Okay. We have might not be correct though. So the server might not be up to date. So we just changed the packet type, and for some reason still working, but the data that's coming in here. Okay, I need to change the server, and that's in the server. I'm gonna have to change the address of the server. Where? Oh, that's gonna be in the client, of course. Yeah, let's switch to local server first, then we will update the server eventually. So we are doing debug, and there should be a server batch script. Okay, so we got the server up and running. We start the client. Now we can say goodbye to the production server. We don't need it right now. And of course it's what? I'm gonna close this. It's annoying. And what is this? Okay, this is still running. Need to close it because otherwise it's not able to rebuild it. There we go. Okay, server is running. Let's run the client. Okay, client is running, no errors, so everything is fine, but there are no other players, so I guess that's not very telling. I might need to run another instance. Yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, I can hear myself. I can see the other player. That's pretty good. Doesn't have hands. It doesn't have hands so far. But that's okay. Nothing is breaking so far. I'm gonna close both. Now for the drawing part. Well, before drawing, position, update position. That is sent correctly. I'm just not sure what changes I did, so I'm gonna find it. Why did I do the changes? Okay, apart from this one, where is it reading those changes? Not deserialize. Okay, this is a new player. Where's the player sending? Its own update. Here it is, okay. Player position, rotation, and velocity. But these are not compatible. What? Yeah, why is it not complaining? Weird. So instead of doing it like this and have the hands separate, I will also convert these to arrays. Okay, this is much more like it, but it will break somewhere else. Possibly in world. Yep. So we're doing the hands here, and the right hand is 3. And the rotation of the right hand is also 3. Head is 0, 1, 2, not 3, 2. Yeah, it can't be 3. And the same applies. Wait, did it? Wait, what did I just do? And go back. Oh, okay, this is for building. Okay, yeah, that's correct. On the right hand. And the hand index is gonna come here. Yeah, not very intuitive it is it? +1. Okay, that sounds all of it. Yeah, there might still be some references. Or not. Equal. Oh, okay, yeah. This is correct. So for the hands, want hand plus 1. And for the head is going to be 0. Unfortunately, the velocity, we don't have that. Okay, this is also the right hand. So 2. And 2 here too. Right hand again. That should be all of it. It should be all of them. And as always, I need to terminate any running instance. Otherwise, Windows freaks out. Rerun the server. Rerun a client. And another client. We're gonna have some echo. That's good. Everything looks normal. Now let's go about rendering. I have too many things open right now. Let's close everything. So for rendering, you're gonna need world. Okay, this is where we render players. Each player is gonna have a cube. Am I using cube hands? Okay, I'm using cube hands here. Just for the player. Okay, so we need to do the same thing. I'll pretty much introduce an index. If we have XR mode, So cube and cube hands. Which one should I use? Maybe I can do another pass. Or I can just do the same as everything else and remove that. And say that we have 3 cubes. Which is gonna break everything. But we can then use this to index. I'll rename it to something different, like part index. The cube is gonna be indexed with a part. Might be easier than I thought. Ew, what? What is this ugly indentation? Wait, from here. This ends here and this ends there. Okay. Maybe I got the wrong. Okay, I got the wrong block. Yeah. Wrong paste. Wrong paste past post. Then XR mode, cube hands, doesn't have hands. So that's gonna be +1, hands index +1. Because we're not rendering the head locally. So we just do from 0 to 1. And in the drawing, so for each player, yeah, there's likely an optimal way to do this all at once, but we're not trying to optimize right now. And that's gonna be, again, part index. I might not want to create multiple cubes. So we could even just reuse the original cube. That would work. And I think the same exact thing happens here. So unless I forgot something, that should be all of it. There is probably something in app. Is it app or is it resources? Oh. Yeah, I'm looking for where the cube is created. Let's see. Destroy. Okay, this is where it gets destroyed. Where does it get created? Just create the cube 0. There's still something missing, like the creation of the cube. Yeah. Wait, what? Oh, okay, another one. Player destroy. Destroy geometry. There should be a create as well somewhere. It's the same, and remove. That's a 0. We only destroy the 0. I wonder why it's never created. That seems odd. Oh, here it is. Cube 3. Oh wait, why did I... Cube 3... Yeah, maybe a state vector, a state arrays also. The ends were here. Yeah, I don't really know what happens. It's probably gonna assign it to the first. It's weird that it doesn't generate any errors. Not even a warning. Okay, so everything seems to be building correctly. Let's move the server on the side and have the first client. There we go. Gonna move a bit further away. Here's a second client. We are overlapping. But I'm still not seeing the hands. But that could be... Yeah, because the transforms are not correct. The hands transforms are relative to the body. So we need to chain the transformation. Oh wait, that should already happen. So that's the player position. Oh wait, it is sending the correct data because we have the array here and right. What is right doing? And what is read doing? It might not be doing what I expect. Player, state, position. I wonder if this data makes sense. Let's first see where where this is falling into. So where is it going into? Okay, value type. Append range. So this is size 6. And it's going to be 339 floats. Let's see if the sizes match. 9 floats times 4, 36 bytes. It should advance by 36, and right now is 6, so 42. It should be 42 by the end. Okay, looks correct. It's plain data, so I don't see any problem with that. It looks correct. So the data's being sent. Looks good. Let's see velocity. It's all 0. That's fine. Let's also see what it's going to receive. So I'm going to keep another instance on the side. And it clearly doesn't have hands. Yeah, both of them. Oh, wait. Why is it not moving? Ah, they're not moving. Yeah, okay. They're not moving because the capsule is not moving. Let's see what an update looks like. So this is the player. It has the velocities. Okay, that's correct. It's still. This looks very small. Oh, but that's just the rotation. Okay, that's fine. These also looks correct. Oh, wait. Position. Okay. The whole transformation is wrong. And the parts are not. Yeah, the parts are not 2. Parts are 3. That's also another mistake. Okay, so the problem was in the in the rendering process. Okay, hands 2 is correct. And the parts are 3, not 2. Okay, let's build again. Here's one client. And that's the other client with the hands. Ooh, it's weird. Oh no, that's correct. Well, not really. Maybe they're just too big. It's even weirder. Oh my god. As the head moves around. There's a camera position. It's the same. So it inherits the camera position. Okay, let's do a test in VR. For that, I'm gonna need a terminal. Stop this echo. Oh, okay, we're getting some warnings from Clang. Hmm. Wait, what? More than one device? Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, no. Oh, I see. The camera's connected. It'd be nice to have a default device selected. Really nice one. Okay, let's see something like this. But I'm gonna need to change the script. That's the device. Oh, wait. Install. Install is gonna fail. How do I specify the device in? Oh. Oh, okay. Android 0. Okay. I won't need any change. Just an environment thing. So .env. Okay. Now let's do that again. Oh, great. That's great. Oh no. It's not starting up. Close? Wait, what happened? It didn't boot up properly. Let's try again. Where's the server? Okay, maybe this server is gone. Oh, that's release. Okay, I see. So this is gonna run in release. And it's not gonna run until I deploy it. Okay, close that and let's push to the repo. Okay, pull. Okay. So let's go back on the Debian. Here's a VM. Remove. That should be. Oh, that comes after I make the package. projects. Yeah, let's go. Boom. Wait. You didn't build, did you? Yeah, I need to build first. Yeah, you need to build first. I'm gonna hit my tea. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, that's done. Let's make the package. Good, package is done. And the third step is to copy the package. And the last step is to run the package. So what do I do here? Okay. And package. Okay, that's unpackaged. Then there's change mode. Yep. And that's it. Oh no. Not again. Tracy profiler. Did I leave that on? Tracy, where's Tracy? Oh no. Oh no. Left that on. Off. Disable Tracy. All over again. Okay. Yeah, I should probably do all of this work and the single in a single command. So that's a git pull build. So slow. Yeah, of course. I've changed the configuration, so it's gonna rebuild everything. Yeah, the build, the build configuration really is bad. Almost there. Come on. All right. Now let's do the package. Send it over to the other side. Now let's we already have it. Let's just extract it and run. Boom. Oh, not already connected to the client. Yo. Okay, something's happening. Not really. I think it's dead. Yeah. I'm gonna restart this. Quit. And maybe share the screen. So that's gonna be Cubey. Ooh. Okay. You doing anything? Why did you switch to? Why did you even switch? Enter pass through. Why did it switch to pass through? It's so weird. Connect. Don't stop asking. Casting. Oh, I've never seen this red. Where is the link thing? Remote desktop setup. No, don't. Stop it. Whatever. I want to remove the keyboard stuff. I hate it. Let's start again. Come on, why don't you connect to the server? What's happening? Oh, the server crashed. No problem. We rerun it. Huh. Interesting. Close this again. No. This feels like it's gonna take a little while. Why is it taking so long? Wait, what? 800 warnings. Oh, that's coming all from VMA. So I have nothing to do with it. But this only happens when I'm rebuilding the whole source. So the full rebuild is happening because I've removed Tracy, which triggered a full cache invalidation from CMake. But okay. Dual stream. Automatically generate vertical cropped version for the shorts feed. Huh. That's not gonna look good. Oh, finally. I don't know why I needed to rebuild everything. So we are in, and I also want, no, I didn't start the client on Windows. So let me disable simulator, deactivate this. Okay. Both hands. Some things are messed up. So that shouldn't be over there. Oh, at least it is missing some blocks. Yeah, that looks like it belongs to the big one. There's something missing over there. No. Yeah, this guy is gonna try to connect locally. So you also need to go to to the server. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm in. Those are my hands. That's great. Can go around. Hands are a bit slower. But it's okay. They should be a bit smaller though. Okay, that's good enough. Who is that? Oh wait, where is the player? Okay, it's moving. Those are probably his hands. All right. This was a success. I'm quite happy, and I'll see you next time. This is all from today.